Thank you.
So smart.
After the Pandavas desired and delivered water to the dead relatives who had desired it, went to the Ganges. Draupadi, the ladies walked in front. Yes. Yes, Mataji, somebody can read.
Which one, Prabhu? Text 2.
No, the purport, Srila Prabhupada's purport.
In
Today.
this page, it is Sutta Goswami said from there.
No, the purport. Today it is the custom.
Okay, yeah, I'll read, Prabhu.
Yes.
To date, it is the custom in Hindu society to go to the Ganges or any other sacred river to take bath when death occurs in the family. Each of the family members pours out a potful of the Ganges water for the departed soul and walks in a procession with the ladies in the front. The Pandavas also followed the rules more than 5,000 years ago. Lord Krishna, being a cousin of the Pandavas, was also amongst the family members.
Okay, so the Mahabharata war is over and they are now praying for the departed souls in this way. Having limited over them sufficiently offered Ganges water, the bathe in the Ganges water is sanctified due to being mixed with the dust of the lotus feet of the Lord. Okay, that's why Ganges is sacred because Krishna's lotus feet. Yeah, Tushar, how do you say Krishna's lotus feet touch the Ganges? How do you say?
Vamana, the
Uh,
story of Vamana.
the story of Vamana.
Yeah,
When Lord took Vamana Avatara,
correct.
when he comes to the earth, his toe from his toe that the kamandala, Brahma's kamandala touched and it like that. No?
Brahma saw a huge pit coming and he
Yes,
understood that must be his Vishnu Lord only. So he took his Kamandalu water, started washing the Lord's feet. And Lord's feet also tore through the covering of the universe, and from the Karana water also came. There sat the king of the Kurus, Maharaj Yudhishthira, along with his younger brothers and Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, Kunti, Draupadi, all overwhelmed with grief, and Lord Krishna was also there. Yes. Tushar, you want to read?
Yeah.
Battle.
I think the purport.
Yeah.
the battle of Kurukshetra. This
The battle of Kurukshetra was fought between family members, and thus all affected persons were also family members like Maharaja Yudhishthira and brothers Kunti, Draupadi, Subhadra, Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, and her daughter-in-law, etc. All the principal dead bodies were in some way or the other related to each other, and therefore the family grief was combined. Lord Krishna was also one of them as a cousin of the Pandavas and the nephew of Kunti, as well as the brother of Subhadra, etc. The Lord, therefore, was equally sympathetic towards all of them, and uh, therefore, he began to pacify them beneficently.
what is it? What is
Beneficently.
that?
Citing the stringent laws of the Almighty in the reactions of a living being, I'll just go to the prayers of Kunti. Okay, now, Lord Sri Krishna and Munis began to pacify those who were shocked and affected. The clever Duryodhana and his party cunningly usurped the kingdom of the Yudhishthira who had no enemy. The Lord, the recovery was executed, and the unscrupulous king who joined Duryodhana were killed by them. Others also died, the duration of life being decreased for their rough handling of the hair of Queen of Draupadi. Lord Shri Krishna caused three well-performed Ashtamedha yagnas to be conducted by Maharaj Yudhishthira, and thus caused his virtuous fame to be glorified in all directions, like that of Indra, who had performed 100 such sacrifices. Lord Shri Krishna then prepared for his departure. He invited the sons of Pandu after having been worshipped by the Brahmanas, headed by Srila Vyasadeva. The Lord also reciprocated greetings. As soon as he seated himself on the chariot to start for Dwaraka, he saw Uttara hurrying toward him in fear. What happens? Anybody knows why she's running?
Because Ashwatthama that
Tushar, you know what happened? Why she's running?
Ashwatthama.
No, I didn't hear the question.
Okay, you read the purport. Answer is there.
No, what is the question?
No, you read
No,
the
no,
purport
you
first.
read
Then I'll ask.
from the responsibility.
All the members.
all the members of the family of the Pandavas were completely dependent on the protection of the Lord, and therefore the Lord protected all of them in all circumstances. The Lord protects everyone, but one who depends completely upon Him is especially looked after by the Lord. The father is more attentive to the little son who is exclusively dependent.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Very sweet
Yes.
purport of Prabhupada. So if you depend on Krishna, Krishna gives you more protection. Uttara said, O Lord of the Lord, O Lord of the universe, you are the greatest of mystic. Therefore, please protect me, for there is no one else who can save me from the clutches of the death in this world of duality. O my Lord, you are all powerful. A fiery iron arrow is coming toward me fast. My Lord, let it burn me personally if you so desire. But please do not let it burn and abort my embryo. Please do this favor, my Lord. So she's protecting the child. Ashwatthama has thrown a Brahmastra to the womb of.
Uttara.
Uttara.
Yes. So then what happens?
Then actually the baby was about to die, but Krishna saves him.
Yes.
Krishna saved.
Krishna gives new life actually.
Into the womb and
With a
saves him.
small thumb.
And Parikshit Maharaj after some time wanted to see Lord Krishna who saved him.
No.
That's
Yeah,
why his name
he's
is Parikshit.
he saw Lord.
Yeah.
He took the darshan of Lord inside the stomach, means inside the womb.
Suta Goswami said, having patiently heard a word, Lord Shri Krishna was always very affectionate devotees could at once understand Ashwatthama, the son of Dronacharya, had thrown a Brahmastra to finish her last life in the Pandava family. O foremost among the great thinkers, Munis, seeing the glaring Brahmastra proceeding toward them, the Pandava took up their 5 respective weapons. The Almighty Personality Goddess Shri Krishna observed that the great danger was befalling his unalloyed devotee, the fully surrendered souls at once took up a Sudarshana disk to protect them. The Lord of the Supreme Mysteries of Sri Krishna residing within everyone's heart as Paramatma. As such, just to protect the progeny of the Kuru dynasty, he covered the embryo Uttara by his personal energy. O Shaunaka, all of Supreme Brahmastra weapon released by Ashwatthama, irresistible and without check or counteraction, it was neutralized and foiled when confronted with the strength of Vishnu. Okay? O Brahmana, do not think this to be especially wonderful in the activities of mysterious and infallible personality Godhead by his own transcendental energy maintains and relates all the metal thing, although he himself unborn. The save from the radiation of Brahmastra. Now the Kunti's prayer will start. Kunti, the chaste and devoted devotee of the Lord, and of 5 sons, and Draupadi addressed Lord Shri Krishna and he started for home. Okay? So now it is starting. Maybe we do 2-3 verses today. This is the sweetest of the sweetest verses. Kunti Vacha
Kunti Uvacha
Namasye Purusham Twadhyam
Namaste Purusham
Ishwaram Prakate Param
Ishwaram Prakrute
Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam
Lakshyam Sarva Bhutanam
Antarbahi Avastitam.
Antarbahiratitam.
Avastha.
It's a very beautiful meaning. She says, Namaste, I offer my respects to whom? Adi Purusha. Purusham to Adyam, not ordinary person. Adi Purusha, who is Govindam Adi Purusham? Krishna, correct? Adi Purusha is Krishna. So I offer my respects to Adi Purusha. Ishvara Prakate Param. He is beyond the effect of material energy. He is Parameshwara. He is not Ishvara. He is
Parameshwara.
He is Prakate Param. He is beyond the influence of material energy. He is a Parameshwara. Alaksham Sarva Bhutana. But he cannot be seen by ordinary people. Even though Antar Bahi Avasita, he is both inside and outside. How is Krishna inside everybody?
Paramatma resided in
Paramatma.
everyone's heart as
How is he
Paramatma.
outside?
Outside Bhagavan Sakar.
Yeah, Bhagwan also, he's there everywhere. So even though Krishna is both inside and outside, people are not able to see him. But still, he is the Adi Purusha. And I offer my respects to him. Beautiful, beautiful verse. Srimati Kunti said, O Krishna, I offer my obeisance unto you because you are the original personality unaffected of the qualities of the metal world. You are existing within and without everything, and yet you are invisible to all. Maya Javanika Achanam
Maya Tachannam
Agna adokshajam avyayam.
Adokshajam Avyayam
Agna adokshajam avyayam.
Ajna Adokshajam Avyayam
Alakshase mudadrisha.
Nala
Nato natyodharo yata.
Nato Natya
Being beyond the range of limited sense perception, you are the eternally irreducible factor covered by the content of deluding energy. But invisible to the foolish observer, exactly as the actor dressed as the player is not recognized. So very nice. She said, why is it that we are not understandable? Says the Maya Javinikachana. Maya has put a curtain. Okay? Totally covered us, just like in cold winter. We go inside a rajai. You have gone any time in a winter inside a big blanket, Tushar?
Yes.
Yeah, so many times.
Totally inside. So like that, Maya has totally covered us. And she says, very nice. You have seen some big temple, there are two curtains.
Yes.
I've seen in Bangalore, I used to two curtains. One you remove, then one more curtain will be there. Then they'll remove that. So like that, between us and Krishna, there is double curtain. One is Mahamaya, one is Yogamaya.
Maya.
This was saying one side is of the Achanam, Agna. One side is we who are a fool. And other side is Krishna with the Dhokshaja, who is invisible. So even if you lift the curtain of ignorance, still Krishna is invisible. You go to the temple, remove the curtain, Krishna you can't see, he is invisible. Adhokshaja. Therefore, the fools cannot see him. Nato natyo dharoyata. Just like in a drama, we are dressed very nicely, people cannot recognize us. So like that, we cannot recognize. So first thing we have to, by sincerely following rules and regulations, we come to Sattva-guna. Okay? So that is removing first curtain. But then that is not enough. Krishna is so bewildered, you cannot see him. Pray to Krishna, then Krishna reveal his form. Because Krishna is otherwise adhokshaja. Akshaja means what is seen by eyes. Krishna cannot be seen by your eyes. Okay, two prayers done. Maya Javinika Achanam Agna. We are Agna and Krishna is adhokshaja, inexhaustible. Therefore, the fools cannot see him. Nato natyu dharoyata. Just like an actor comes and does drama, people cannot recognize. Sometimes the drama we dress up so nicely, even our relatives cannot recognize us. Correct? So Nato natyu dharoyata. Krishna is dressed like that. Being beyond the range of limited sense perception, you are the eternally irreducible factor covered by the curtain of deluding energy. You are invisible to the foolish observer, excel as actor dressed as the player is not recognized. Okay, two. Tata Paramahamsanam
Tata Paramahamsana
Ninam Amalatmanam
Muninam Hamalatmanam
Bhakti Yoga Vidhanartham
Bhakti
Bhakti
Yoga
Yoga
Katham
Vidhanartham
Pashyame Hi Sriyaha.
Katam
Katam
Pashyati Shrita.
So she is saying you are understandable to the Paramhamsas, to the great sages, to the people whose heart is pure. Amal Atma. Mala means mal. There is no mal. The heart is so pure. And you bestow devotion to them. Bhakti Yoga Vidhanartham. And how I will understand you? I am just an ordinary woman. She's taking a humble role. Prabhupada says actually in this purport, if you read all this purport, it's very, very sweet. Prabhupada said women are very fortunate because they easily accept authority. And very nice. Okay. Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Kinandanaya Cha
Devaki Nandaya Cha
the Gopakumaraya
Gopakumaraya
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Govindaya Namo.
Namo Namaha.
So Tushar, you read the translation?
Oh, okay.
Wait. It's not. Wait.
Uh,
1 second.
uh,
What happened? Oh my God, Tushar.
what happened?
What did you do?
You can read Gayatri Mataji.
Okay.
Let me therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto the Lord, who has become the son of Vasudeva, the pleasure of Devaki, the boy of Nanda, and the other covered men of Vrindavana, and the
Enlivener.
enlivener of the cows and the senses.
ठीक है, so basically different names of Krishna,
Yeah.
very sweet
Oh.
names of Krishna. Vasudeva, Devaki Nandana, Nanda Gopa Kumaraya, Govindaya Namo Namah. I'll just take you through the prayers today. Then when you get time, read the beautiful purport. Nama Pankaja Nabhaya,
Nama
Namo
Pankajanaಭಾಯ
Nama Pankaja Maline,
Nama
Nama
Pankajamaline,
Nama Pankaja Netraya,
Pankajnetraya
Namaste Pankajangre.
Namaste
Pankajangre.
Pankajangre.
Yes, Tushar, you can read the translation.
Yes.
Wait, translation is down.
No, I can.
to-
Okay, one second.
Only one line is visible here. Okay, read that.
Start.
My respectful obeisances are
It came here.
unto you, O Lord, whose abdomen is marked with a depression like a lotus flower, who are always decorated with garlands of lotus flowers, whose glance is as cool as the lotus, and whose feet are engraved with lotuses.
Everything is lotus. Krishna is only lotus. Why lotus? Because lotus is the most beautiful thing in the world. If you want to describe Krishna, we don't have anything to describe, correct? So lotus is the best way. Everything is lotus. Okay? So actually she wants to first always we start with the lotus feet. But because she Prabhupada says in the purpose she is an aunt, she'll embarrass Krishna if she starts with the lotus feet. So she says, starts from the navel. Your navel is lotus, your garland is lotus, your eyes are lotus, and your lotus feet. At the end, she puts lotus feet. So Prabhupada said, therefore, she should have started with Pankajangre. But she knows Krishna will become, very embarrassed because he's like her son. Correct? So she says in a sweet way. Okay. Yata Rishikesh Kalena Devaki.
Yata Rishi
Sena Architam Sucharpita.
Kamsena Rudrachitam Sucharpita.
Vimojitam Sasahatmaja Vibho.
Vimuchita Hamsa
Tvayeva Natena Moho Vipadgana.
Vaevanate Namuhur Vibhadgata
O
Ganatana.
Rishikesh, master of the sense of the Lord of the Lords, you have released your mother Devaki, was long imprisoned in distance by the envious king Kamsa. And me and my children from our cities are constant danger. So she is remembering, you saved us in so many ways. Okay? So that's why devotee is always grateful. Okay? That is now she'll give a big list how Krishna saved them. Vishan Magne Purushad Darshana.
Shanmagne Purushada Darshanad
Savaya Vanavasa Krichrataha.
Ashad
Savaya
Bhagavaya
Vanavasa
Mride Mride Aneka Maharatasrato.
Mride Aneka So
Droni Astrastas Chasma Hare Ravirikshataha.
Trauni
Chasma
Virakshi.
Yes, Avirakshataha. So this is now she is remembering different places. Vishan, who gave poison to whom? Who tried to kill by poison? Poison.
Duri tried to kill Bhima.
Correct. So she's remembering. See, everything in life actually Krishna protects us, but she has a knowledge that Krishna protected. Okay? We don't thank, so she's thanking Krishna. Krishna, you protected my child Bhima because Duryodhana tried to kill him by poison. Maha Agne, when was the fire used to burn everybody?
in the candle palace.
Correct. Lakshmi.
It's like it was.
So you saved us, Krishna. Krishna, thank you, Krishna, you saved us. Purushad Darshanath, the man-eater. Who was man-eater?
Who?
Bhima killed.
Sorry?
Man-eater. Purushada, who eats man.
Who's married? Kunti.
No, man-eater. Purusha Ada, you see the man-eaters.
Man-eaters.
Cannibals. Who killed? Bhima went and killed somebody who was a cannibal. Anybody knows? Gayatri Mata.
Yeah. Gatotkacha? No, sorry, not Gat,
No,
sorry, Jara.
Hidambasura.
Yes, Hidambasura. Then after that, Asat Sabha. What is it referring to? Unwanted assembly. Bad people sitting in assembly. What is that assembly?
Vastrapharana means she, Krishna,
Draupadi.
yes,
Asat
Draupadi's,
Sabha.
yes.
All the cinema halls are Asat Sabha. Only Asat people go and sit there. Vanavasa Krichrataha. Then
When Pandavas were
When
in
Pandavas
Vanavasa,
were in Vanavasa,
correct. Krishna
they were
protected.
like, yeah,
protected from that
protected him.
Durvasa.
Very good. Mride Mride Aneka Maharasasato. And so many Maharathis were there in the war and Krishna protected them so many times. Correct? There was once very heavy weapon was thrown at Arjuna and Krishna pushed the chariot down. Tuck. You know that? When Karna threw one dangerous weapon, Krishna pushed the chariot down and the weapon went ahead. It touched
Yes,
the helmet of Arjuna. Correct? You all know that?
yes.
So
He
Krishna
moved. Yes.
so he's thanking Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. And Drauni, just now, the Ashwatthama threw one big astra and she saved whom? Krishna saved whom now? Parikshit Maharaj.
Parikshit Maharaj.
So she's saying, thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. So that is the beauty actually. Devotees means Hare Krishna Jayanti Mataji. Shobha Mataji, all your friends are there today. Hare Krishna Jayanti Mataji. You can hear us? Hare Krishna. Chalo. She has, this Gulf countries, Mataji, they block all. Hare Krishna, Rajesh.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, Rajesh, छोटे वो he stays in Bangalore. Okay. Rajesh, we are chanting Queen Kunti prayers. If you, there's a very area to open the 8th chapter. They're all very beautiful prayers. Okay. Chalo, we continue. So she is thanking Krishna. Chalo. We do a few more minutes. Shubha Mataji, we end at 10 o'clock.
Prabhuji?
What time you want me to end? You have to sleep, no? 10?
No problem, Prabhuji.
Tomorrow is this festival, you all know this?
Panihati.
If you are in Mangalore,
please come. No, I am in Kota.
Ayyo. But yesterday, 1.5 hours we drove. Only just 1.5. ठीक है.
Echo.
If it is,
They're not able to hear you.
Voice is
Voice is coming.
now I removed echo. Any
Tomorrow we will try to come.
ठीक है. Now do you hear echo when I'm speaking? Not now, I hope.
Now
it's not there. I corrected. I wish all those calamities. This is amazing prayer. Have you read this prayer, Mataji? Heard about this prayer? After telling Krishna that he saved me from so many lists she gives, he gives a list of what are the different lists she gave of dangers, Tushar?
Prabhu, echo is coming. Echo is coming.
Echo is coming. Wait a minute. I cannot generate echo.
Speak also.
Now echo is coming.
Huh?
Now is echo coming?
Yes.
Alright.
So means it's very. We cannot hear what you.
Hare Krishna. Is it clear now?
Hare Krishna.
Let me just check out.
Still checking.
Gayatri Mataji, is it echoing now?
Yes,
Hare
Prabhu.
Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, she said yes.
No, I can't hear
No, I
it.
can't hear it.
Is it you are
Is
hearing
it you are
echo or
hearing
my
echo
voice
or
is
my
very
voice is
clear?
very clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Still going
Rajesh,
Prabhuji.
Now it's okay, I think.
my voice,
Prabhuji,
my voice
now
is.
echo is not,
not
not it's again
again.
coming.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Again
Krishna.
it's Hare Krishna,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
It's echo.
Hare Krishna.
Now is there any echo?
Now is there any echo?
to yes, Prabhuji.
She is nodding.
She's nodding.
Anyway,
Anyway.
Whatever
chalo,
is
chalo.
coming.
No issues, no
No,
issues.
no issues, no
Okay, what
issues.
I'll do, you read.
You
I
read.
hear now.
I hear now.
Vipada
Vipada
santu
santu
sasra.
Vipada santu sasra.
Vipada
Repeat after me. Vipada santu tashvashva.
Santuta.
Vipada santu
Santuta.
Tatra tatra jagat
Tatra jagat
guru.
guru. Tatra tatra jagat guru.
Bhavato
Bhavato
darshanam
darshanam
yasya.
yasya. Bhavato darsanaya sadya.
Apunam
Apuna
bhavadarshanam.
bhavadarsanam.
Apuna
Apuna bhavadarsanam.
ठीक है.
थोड़ा सा रखना
Now
प्रसाद
this
के
is
लिए.
a very
This is a
amazing
very
prayer.
amazing prayer.
Amazing prayer.
Amazing
Because
prayer.
something will
Because
happen
something
now.
will happen now.
Yes, Tushar, can
Yes,
you read?
Tushar, can you read?
Prabhu, what did you?
Prabhu, what did you
Read.
read?
I wish those calamities and again, so that
So,
we could see you
you
again,
are
seeing you,
you.
we will no longer see repeated births and death.
Births and death.
So after she
So,
gave a
after she
list
gave
of
a
all
list
the
of all the
calamities,
calamities,
she's saying,
she's
let
saying,
those
let
calamities
those
again
calamities
happen again.
happen
Just
again.
imagine.
Just imagine.
Whole life she
Whole
has
life
suffered.
she has suffered.
Tushar, you can hear
Tushar,
me
you
or
can
you're
hear me or
only
you're
hearing
only
echo,
hearing
echo,
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 echo.
echo.
yes.
Yes.
Huh?
Your
Your
your voice is coming
voice
in
is coming in
like
like
only.
only.
ठीक है.
Okay.
I don't know what is
I don't know
happening.
what is happening.
So
So
he's
she's
saying that
saying that
let this
let this
calamities happen
calamities
again.
happen
It's so
again. It's so
unusual.
unusual.
After suffering
After
whole
suffering
life,
whole life,
she's saying let
she's
there be
saying
more
let there be more
calamities.
calamities.
Just imagine.
Just imagine.
She suffered
She
because her
suffered because
husband
her
died
husband
very
died
early.
very
Then she
early. Then she
suffered so
suffered
many
so
things.
many
She gave a
things. She
list
gave a
of that.
list of that.
And after that,
And
she's
after that,
saying,
she's
my
saying,
son has
my
become
son has become
emperor.
emperor.
But I think the
But I think
calamity
the
should happen
calamity should
again.
happen again and again.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Okay, Mataji, can you tell me
Mataji,
why
can you
it
tell
is
me
so?
why it is
Why
so?
she's
Why
praying
she's
like that?
praying like that?
So that she
So that she
remember Krishna. She can be
she
always
can be always.
So you can pray
So
to
you can
Krishna
pray
like
to
this?
Krishna like this.
Prabhuji.
You can pray to
You
Krishna
can pray
like
to
this?
Krishna like this.
We should
We
pray,
should
but
pray.
Anybody has the
Anybody
courage
has
to
the
pray?
courage to pray?
You're
You're
Rajesh, you're ready to
Rajesh, you're
pray
ready to
like
pray
this?
like this.
My
My
Lord,
Lord,
little
little
calamities.
calamities.
So Prabhupada
So Prabhupada
says something
says
very
something very
interesting.
interesting.
He says
He
that
says that actually
situation is
situation
this.
is this.
The Prabhupada
The
says that
Prabhupada says that
actually
actually
uh, only great
only
devotees
great
can pray
devotees
like
can
that.
pray like that.
And says at
And
this
says at this
point,
point,
Bhagavatam shows
Bhagavatam
it is
shows it
more
is
greater
more
than
greater
any
than
other
any
religion.
other religion.
In no religion,
In no
you go to
religion, we
temple,
go to
church and
temple,
mosque
church,
and
and
we
mosque,
pray,
and we pray,
God, give me
God,
trouble.
give me trouble.
Correct? We
Correct?
go to God,
We go to
remove
God,
trouble.
remove
But
trouble.
she's going to
But
God,
she's going to
give trouble.
God, give trouble.
Isn't it, Tushar? You're
Isn't it,
able to hear
Tushar? You're
me?
able to hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Yeah, I heard you.
I'm sorry, I do not
I'm
know what is
sorry, I do
happening.
not know what is
But
happening.
you have to manage
But
now.
you have to manage.
Okay? So she's
Okay,
why?
so she's why
Bhavato darshanam
Bhavato
yasya,
darshanam
because my
yasya,
Lord,
because my Lord,
the calamities
the
when they happen,
calamities
I
when they
remember
happen,
you.
I
And
remember
what
you.
happens when
And
I
what happens
remember
when I
you?
remember you?
Bhavato darshanam
Bhavato
yasyat
darshanam
apuna
yasyat
bhava
apuna
darshanam.
bhava
So
darshanam.
because
So because
vipada, let there be
vipada, let there
calamity,
be calamity, big
let there be Jagat
let there
Guru.
be
Why?
Jagat Guru.
Because
Why?
whenever there
Because
is
whenever there
calamity,
is
the Lord, I see you. And if I
calamity,
see you,
Lord,
I
I
will
see
not
you,
see
and if I
rebirth
see
in
you,
you.
I will not see rebirth.
Apuna bhava darshanam.
Apuna
I
bhava
will not. If
darshanam.
I see you
I will
because
not.
of
If I see
calamity,
you because
I
of
will not see
calamity,
rebirth again
I
in
will not
this
see
world.
rebirth
Let
again
there
in
be
this world.
calamity.
Let there be calamity.
Just think about this. This is a
Just
beautiful
think
prayer.
about this. Is a
Vipada
beautiful prayer.
santata
Vipada
shashvat
santata
tatra
shashvat.
tatra jagat guru
Tatra
bhavato
tatra jagat
darshanam
guru.
yasyad
Bhavato
apuna
darshanam
bhava.
yasyad apuna bhava.
This is a very sweet prayer.
This is a
Prabhupada said
very
at this
sweet prayer.
moment,
Prabhupada said at this
Bhagavatam
moment,
becomes greater than
Bhagavatam
any
becomes
religion
greater
on earth
than
because
any
no
religion on
religion
earth.
we
Because
pray like
no
this.
religion we pray like this.
Janmaishwarya Shruta
Janmaishwarya
Shrihi
Shrutashribhi.
Janmashvara
Janmaishwarya
Shruti.
Shruti
Idamana Madaha
Idamanamadha
Puman
Puman.
Na Ev Arti
Na
Abhidhatum
evartya vidhatum
Vai
vai.
Naivarti Vai
Vama Kinchana
Vama kinchana
Gocharam.
gocharam.
Okay.
Okay.
So this says the
So this
four
says the
things.
four things.
If you're
If you're
attracted, too much
attracted, too
proud
much
of your
proud
birth,
of your
oh, I'm
birth,
very
oh, I'm
special
very
person.
special person.
Aishwarya, you think I'm very
Aishwarya, you
rich
think I'm very
person.
rich person.
If you're getting any
If you're getting any
satisfaction from these
satisfaction
things, your
from these
birth,
things, your
your
birth,
wealth,
your wealth,
your learning,
your
and your
learning,
beauty,
and your beauty,
then
then
Edamana
Idamana
Madhapuman, if you're
Madhapuman, if you're
intoxicated in this
intoxicated in
way,
this way,
you cannot
you
offer
cannot
praise to
offer
Krishna
praise to Krishna
feelingly.
feelingly.
And then Krishna
And
you will
then
never
Krishna you
get.
will
Na
never get.
ev
Na
arti,
ev
you're
arti,
not
you're not
qualified to
qualified to
abhidhatum, to offer
Abhidhatum, to
feeling
offer
praise to
feeling
Krishna.
praise to Krishna.
Tvam akinchana
Vam
gocharam.
akinchana
Krishna is
gocharam.
only
Krishna is
property
only
of people
property of
who
people
do not
who do
possess
not
anything.
possess anything.
So I may have
So I
wealth,
may
I
have
may have
wealth,
great
I may have great
birth, I may have a
birth,
lot
I
of
may have a
learning,
lot
I
of
may be
learning,
very
I may be
beautiful.
very beautiful.
But that is, I
But
know,
that is,
just
I
so.
know, just
So I don't possess
I
all
don't
those things.
possess all those.
Yes, so the person
Yes,
who
so the
doesn't
person who
possess
doesn't
anything,
possess anything,
Krishna becomes his
Krishna
property.
becomes his property.
But somebody who
But
wants to
somebody who wants
possess
to
all these
possess all
things,
this thing,
will miss
will
Krishna.
miss Krishna.
So
Oh,
beautiful prayer.
beautiful prayer.
He quoted this
He
in
quoted this in
wonderful
wonderful
prayer in many,
prayer
many
in many
classes.
classes.
Janmai Sharya Shruta
Janmashwarya Shruta
Shibi
Shibi
Edamana
Edamana
Madhapuman
Madhapuman.
Na Ev
Na
Arti
ev arti
Abhidhatum Vai
abhidhatum
Twam
vai
Akinchana
tvam akinchana
Gocharam.
gocharam.
Yes, Mataji,
Yes,
am I
Mataji, am
audible?
I
Is it
audible? Is
clear?
it clear?
Still echo is
Still
there,
echo is
Prabhu.
there.
We will manage,
We will
Prabhu, no
manage, Prabhu,
problem.
no problem.
Switch off.
Switch off, switch
For us today
For
is
us today,
Nirjala
Nirjala.
Ekadashi.
Ah,
Ah,
who Tushar
who
did
Tushar
Nirjala
did
today?
Nirjala today?
No,
Ah, no,
Sajjana.
Sajjana.
I took one.
I took one.
Tushar, what Nirjala he
Tushar,
did
what
today?
Nirjala he did today?
He took
He
fruits.
took fruits. He took.
Huh?
Ah,
I he couldn't take out because he had
he
some
had some
proceed
proceed.
here. Something, some function was there.
Some function was there.
Rajesh, you did
Rajesh,
Nirjala
you did
today?
Nirjala today? Yeah, I did.
Rajesh?
Rajesh? Yeah, Prabhuji, I did today. Yeah.
Abba,
Abba,
you ate
Nice.
only
you ate on
air and
air and
only air you
only
ate.
air you ate.
Food did not eat.
Food did not eat.
Devotees are joke
Devotees are joke
that on
that on
people are only
people
eating.
are only eating.
Mataji, Shobha,
Mataji, Shobha,
you did
you
Nirjala?
did Nirjal.
Prabhuji, I did
Prabhuji, I did
Sajal today.
Sajal today.
Oh,
Only
sir.
one.
Gayatri Mataji.
Gayatri Mataji.
For us now
For
it
us
is
now it is
12:30 now.
12:30
Until
now.
now
Until
I'm
now
doing
I'm doing
Nirjala,
Nirjal.
Ah.
but I'm not
But
sure
I'm
when
not
I'll
sure
do.
when I'll do. I also did the first time. I also thought the same way, till I will do till I can do it, but I could do it till now. So I think the only night it could do. It's all possible. It's all in our mind. We can't do it, but it's possible. This is
I
proven
did
today.
one. I did
I did
once. It
once.
was
It was
so
it was
easy.
so easy.
But today,
Gayatri, they are making
Actually, they are making
difficult.
difficult.
today I was
Today I
that's why I
I
drank water.
water.
चलो, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So we end here
So
today.
we end here today.
ठीक है. It's
Okay.
a
It's
beautiful
a
prayer.
beautiful prayer.
Just
Just
Okay, we will meet tomorrow.
We will meet tomorrow.
Hopefully,
Hopefully,
Yeah.
tomorrow
I have five,
I
six.
have 5, 6.
If possible,
If possible,
5 o'clock. I'll
5 o'clock I'll
class on
class on
online.
online.
Okay, and again
And again
at
at
7:30.
7:30.
So anytime
So
you can
anytime we
join. And I will just
and I will just
eliminate.
eliminate.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
Father.
Yes,
Prabhuji. Hare
Father.
Krishna.
Okay, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna. Hare Hare.